Welcome to our Swiftspace product snippet. Today we're looking at our FUSED mobile workstation line. Like all Swiftspace product, FUSED is designed to be set up, taken down, and reconfigured in just seconds with no parts, pieces, or tools. In this particular example, we have two stations. On the left, we have a height adjustable, and on the right, we have a fixed height. Both stations are 60 inches wide with 24-inch deep work surfaces and an overall depth of 26 inches, which makes it very easy for the station to be rolled through doorways. Standard widths are 48, 60, 66, and 72 inches wide, and standard heights are 41, 52, and 63 inches high. The left station has a height adjustable mech and is overall 52 inches high, and the right fixed station is 63 inches high. Both stations are finished with gray elm side and back panels and white work surfaces, with the height adjustable having a white mechanism. Both the work surface and the side panels can be substituted with any of our 15 standard laminates that can be found on our website, and in the height adjustables case, the white mechs can also be silver. So let's take a look at some of the features FUSED has to offer. The first station we're going to look at is our height adjustable version. So in this example again, it's 52 inches high, 60 inches wide, and it has our height adjustable mechs incorporated into the station. So the first thing we'll do is look underneath. We can see that there's a large metal plate that bolts the sides and back panel together. Our height adjustable mechs are mounted underneath and attached to the work surface. This gives a very rigid platform and allows for height adjustable. Here you can see we now have the work surface up high, and the monitor arm is actually attached to the work surface itself, so it moves with the work surface. Now we can put it back down again. That's at a 41-inch height, and now it's back to a 29-inch seated height. The next thing to take a look at is our casters. All of our stations come on steel ball bearing casters with rubber wheels. These casters are designed to go over rough terrain such as dock plates, elevator thresholds, and any other bumpy rough surface that might otherwise damage plastic casters. And if we zoom back out, the other thing I wanted to mention is the work surface. I'm going to go ahead and hide the monitor arm. And now you can see that there's a grommet as well as a recess on the back of the work surface. This is given to allow monitor arms and cabling to be fished in from the top, as well as a large grommet for cabling to go top and bottom. So now let's take a look at our fixed version. Here you can see a fixed version now, a little bit different underneath as we no longer have the height adjustable mechanisms. Instead, the work surface is held with brackets. We still do have our large plates that bolt the walls together for lots of strength, and the work surface is still exactly the same shape. Now let's look at some of the accessories we can add to a FUSED. So we can add a hanging accessory rail. This is able to be moved anywhere along the back panel, so very easy to place where you need it, and we can hang things like paper trays, pencil cups, and other binder bins. We also have a line of storage that can be mounted to the actual FUSED workstation itself. So for this example, I'm going to go with a taller station. Now we're using our 63-inch height, and in this case, we have storage both above and below the work surface. The above cabinet is an open flipper door, which has a shelf inside of it, and the bottom is a standard box file bed. We can easily remove the upper or the lower to change the look of the station depending on your storage needs. Another great feature we have on the FUSED is our power and data rail, which can be added to the back of the station. So when we attach the power and data rail to the back, we have a 2-channel power and data raceway that allows for hardwire power, as well as a metallically separated channel for all of your phone and data requirements. Like I said at the beginning, there's a lot of design choices for FUSED. You can do any of the panels in our standard laminate. We also can add ISO-board privacy panels, as well as tack boards inside. We can do things like whiteboards. We also have a stick-on magnetic whiteboard with a full line of magnetic accessories, so you can arrange your work tools any way that you want. And we also can do panel extenders on the top if additional height and privacy is required. So that pretty much covers the FUSED. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us at www.swiftspace.com or give us a call at 519-624-9974.